Welcome back to another video snack attack. Today we are trying new foods for our fluffy friend. We will feed him blueberries, apple slices, and spinach leaves. Let us know if your cat likes these food options. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more funny cat videos and toy unboxings. Blueberries are safe for cats. It has antioxidants that is good for cats. The fiber and water content in blueberries is good for them too. Apples have high fiber and vitamin C in them. You can feed your cat apple as long as there's no skin on the apple slice. Apples are a very fun cat-friendly food. Spinach is full of vitamins and minerals. It has vitamins A, C, K, iron, and calcium. Spinach can be a healthy treat for your cat. It is a cat-friendly food. Okay. Thank you for watching this video snack attack. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and ring the bell for more cat videos and toy unboxing. We loved how Buster ate the blueberries and he wouldn't even sniff the lettuce. Please leave in the comments if you would love to look at more Buster cat videos. We'll see you next time on